LMNR stock analysis for tomorrow and onwards. So this is like next week. I'm breaking down my exact play and everything with Limoneira stock, whatever the pronunciation is. Look, I'm the only person in this space that's done this for 5 years, done 41,000 videos, and I've seen what's making me money and what is not really. So looking at Limoneira, whatever the pronunciation is, bro, I'm looking at a very big correction, right? Like, this does not mean that I'm not open here right now to hopefully, you know, get involved, buy more. But the truth and the reality of the matter is the only thing that will actually make me be bullish is a proper double break. So I'm talking like a proper shift above 16, 17, and then not just here, but like a double break sort of way, right? And if that does not happen, I'm not sort of going to buy. So if you don't want to learn how to make 5, 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails and all that sort of thing. But other than that, just randomly buying, it's not going to be happening. So see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. That's all I have to say.